Good day, everyone. I am Krisia Villanueva, and I'm here to present my chosen topic from random variable, which is from lesson 4, computing probability corresponding to a given random variable. So, a random variable is a function that associates a real number to each element in the sample space. It is a variable whose values are determined by chance. A random variable has two types, the discrete and continuous random variable. So, I've chose the topic from random variable, the lesson 4, which is computing probability responding to a given random variable. Here is our example. Filipino bakery is known for its freshly baked breads. Among these breads are what we call pandesal. The bake shop owner recorded the number of boxes of pandesal that were delivered each day. The number of boxes delivered for 10 days is shown below. So for first day or day 1, the number of boxes that were delivered is 35. In day 2 is 37, day 3 is 50 boxes, and day 4 is 45 boxes. In day 5, they delivered 37 boxes, and in day 6, 45, in day 7, 40, and day 8 is 42, day 9 is 43, and in day 10, they delivered 42 boxes of pandesal. So here is the problem. What is the probability that 4 or more boxes will be delivered in a day? That is for letter A. For letter B, what is the probability that the number of boxes will be at least 37 but not more than 50? For letter C, what is the probability that at most 40 boxes will be delivered on a particular day? On letter D, find P, or the probability multiplied to X is less than equal to 45. And in letter E, find P, the probability, times 240 plus P multiplied to 50. To answer the given question, you have to construct first the probability distribution. Let X, the value of the random variable represented by the number of boxes of pandesal, the probability distribution as shown below. So the number of boxes, or the X, is 35, 37, 40, 42, 45, and 50. Those are just the numbers. It is just 6 pieces or 6 numbers because it is just repeated in the 10 days. There are days that there are same amount of boxes that were delivered. So in the probability, or the P times X is 1. The 35 will be 1 over 10. 37 is 1 over 5. 40 is equals to 1 over 10. 42 will be equals to 1 over 5. 45 would be equal to 3 over 10. And 50 would be equals to 1 over 10. Now we're going to try to solve the questions that I have discussed. For letter A, or question letter A, the probability test 40 or more boxes will be sold in a particular day means P multiplied to X is greater than equals to 40. This means that you have to add P multiplied to X is equals to 40, and P multiplied to X is equals to 42, and P multiplied to X would be equals to 45, and P multiplied to X is equals to 50. 50 is equals to P multiplied to X is greater than equal to 40 is equals to P multiplied to 40 plus P multiplied to 42 plus P multiplied to 45 plus P multiplied to 50. Then substitute it to corresponding probability. So the 1 over 10 plus 1 over 5 plus 3 over 10 plus 1 over 10 came from the value of the probability that we have discussed before. and we just change it into the value of it. So it came like this. And for the next is 1 over 10 plus 2 over 10 plus 3 over 10 plus 1 over 10. So we are just going to add the second group, which is the 1 over 10, 2 over 10, 3 over 10, and 1 over 10. And it is equals to 7 over 10, or we can simplify it as to 0.5. That is our answer for our question letter A. So for our question letter B, the probability that the number of boxes delivered will be at least 37 but not more than that. 50 means P multiplied to 37 is less than equal to X is greater than 50. Hence, the value included are P multiplied to 37 and P multiplied to 40, P multiplied to 42, and P multiplied to 45. Then substitute its corresponding probability into P multiplied to 37 is less than equal to X is less than 250. It will be equal to P multiplied to 37 plus P multiplied to 40 and plus P multiplied to 42 plus P multiplied to 45. So for now, we're going to change it for corresponding probability. We're going to substitute it just like what we have done on the first question, which is the question letter A. So it will be 1 over 15, 1 over 10, 1 over 5, and plus 1 over 10. Next is 2 over 10 plus 1 over 10 plus 2 over 10 plus 3 over 10. So we're just gonna add it just like what we've done on the first part. It will be 8 over 10. We can simplify it into 4 over 5, and we can even simplify it again, and it will turn into decimal point, which is 0.8. And that is our answer for our question letter B. So for our problem letter C, or the question letter C, is the probability that at most 40 boxes will be delivered in a particular day means P is multiplied to X is equals to 40. So the values of X are P multiplied to 40 and P multiplied to 37 and P multiplied to 35. So P is multiplied to X is less than or equal to 40, and it will be equals to P multiplied to 40 plus P multiplied to 37 plus P multiplied to 35. It is equal to, just like what we have done on the first two parts, we're going to change it into probability or into the corresponding probability. We're going to substitute it. So it will be 1 over 10 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 10. On the next part, it will be 1 over 10 plus 2 over 10 plus 1 over 10. We are just gonna add it. It would be 4 over 10. We can simplify it into 2 over 5 and turn it into decimal, or simplify it more, and it would turn to 0.40. Our answer for question letter C is 0.40. So for now, we're gonna solve the questions for letter D, which is find P multiplied to X less than or equal to 45, and it would be equal to P multiplied to 45 plus P multiplied to 42 and plus P multiplied to 40 plus P multiplied to 37 plus P multiplied to 35. We're just gonna repeat just like what we've done in the first three parts. We're gonna substitute in the corresponding probability. It will gonna be 3 over 10 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 10 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 10. On the second part, we have 3 over 10 plus 2 over 10 plus 1 over 10 plus 2 over 10 plus 1 over 10. we are just gonna add it and it will be equals to 9 over 10, or we can simplify it into 0.90. There are other solutions so we can get this exact answer, or this is the shortcut that we can do. The other solution is the formula that we're going to use is p multiplied to x less than or equals to 45 multiplied to or minus 1 minus p multiplied to 50. It would be equals to 1 minus 1 over 10, and it would be equals to 9 over 10. That same answer, just like what we have answered on the first part. So for letter E, find p multiplied to 40 minus p multiplied to 50. We are gonna do the solution for the shortcut. We are gonna p multiplied to 50 is equals to 1 over 10 plus 1 over 10. We're just gonna add it. It would be equals to 2 over 10. We can simplify it and turn it into 1 over 5, or even can we turn it into decimal, and it would be 0.10. That is the answer for our letter E, or the questions in letter E. That's all. Therefore, we can say that the Filipino bakery is very well known and popular because in everyday life or in everyday situation, their pandesal or their delivery is always high. That's all. Thank you.